Hello, everyone!
Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Today we will learn 100 more useful English words.
These are words 601 through 700.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Word 601.
Let's start learning.
We waited in the airport terminal.
Please show your boarding pass.
Our gate is number 12.
The departure is on time.
Our arrival was early.
Push the luggage cart carefully.
Take the elevator to the second floor.
Stand on the escalator.
Meet me at the entrance.
The exit is over there.
Ask at the reception desk.
The receptionist smiled at us.
Go to the reservation desk.
Check-in begins at 2 p.m.
Check-out is at 11 a.m.
Please keep your receipt.
I paid with cash.
I used my credit card.
Here is your change.
The cashier was very friendly.
We received a discount.
Many clothes are on sale.
I have a coupon.
I want to return this shirt.
I want to exchange these shoes.
This size is too small.
I need a medium shirt.
This jacket is too large.
My father wears extra large.
The fitting room is over there.
I wear a jacket in winter.
Her coat is warm.
This sweater is soft.
My jeans are blue.
He wears shorts in summer.
My socks are clean.
His belt is brown.
Wear gloves in the snow.
She has a red scarf.
Take your umbrella today.
The weather is beautiful.
The temperature is rising.
We enjoyed the sunshine.
A light drizzle started.
I heard loud thunder.
Lightning lit up the sky.
The flood covered the road.
The drought lasted for months.
The climate is warm here.
The forecast says it will be sunny.
We recycle plastic bottles.
Put paper in the recycle bin.
Take out the trash.
The garbage truck comes every Monday.
We should protect the environment.
Pollution is a big problem.
Everyone needs clean air.
Clean water is important.
Energy saving helps the planet.
Solar power is renewable.
She is a volunteer at the library.
We donated to a charity.
Thank you for your donation.
Kindness makes people happy.
Show respect to others.
Cleaning your room is your responsibility.
Teamwork brings success.
Good leadership inspires people.
Confidence grows with practice.
Learning takes patience.
The celebration was exciting.
The ceremony begins at noon.
I received an invitation.
We attended a wedding.
Today is their anniversary.
Her graduation is tomorrow.
His speech was inspiring.
The audience gave loud applause.
We looked through the photograph album.
This photo brings back a happy memory.
My neighbor waves every morning.
Our friendship is strong.
Teamwork helps everyone succeed.
We met at the community center.
The children ran to the playground.
They practice on the sports field.
Always wear a bicycle helmet.
Stop at the traffic light.
Use the crosswalk to cross the street.
Walk on the sidewalk.
Safety comes first.
Call for help in an emergency.
She learned first aid.
The emergency alarm is loud.
Smoke filled the room.
The rescue team arrived quickly.
Follow the emergency exit sign.
Follow every safety rule.
He is a careful driver.
Have a safe journey.
Excellent job.
Today, you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 8.
Goodbye and happy learning!